In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Balsamiq effectively and efficiently in just a short span of 5 minutes. Balsamiq is a fantastic tool for creating wireframes, and linking pages can really elevate the functionality and fluidity of your prototypes. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Simply type Balsamiq into your search bar and hit Enter. What you're looking for is the official Balsamiq website, which you'll usually find as the first result or identified by the URL balsamiq.com. Once you've located it, click the link to enter the site. Once you're in, if you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account or create one to gain full access to the features we will be using. Now, let's get to the core task of linking your pages. Begin by creating all the necessary wireframes you want to connect within your project. It's crucial to remember to save your project frequently, as the option to establish links between wireframes is only available on saved projects. Saving regularly not only safeguards your progress, but also ensures that all the elements you want to link are ready to go. Moving forward, navigate to any particular control on your wireframe that you would like to make clickable. Examples of these controls can include buttons, links, images, or various other user interface components. Clicking on this element will activate further options on the interface. Shift your gaze over to the right side of your screen, where you'll find the Property Inspector. This area is where you'll spend a bit of time, as it contains all the key settings for the selected control. Look for and click on the Link drop-down menu located within the Property Inspector. This drop-down will present you with a list. Here, you'll see all your saved wireframes neatly arranged. It's from this list that you'll choose the wireframe you want to create a link to. It's a straightforward process. Just select the desired wireframe from the list, and voila, your control is now linked to the chosen wireframe. This linking process allows for quick, intuitive navigation within your prototype, simulating a real user experience and providing a cohesive preview of your design flow. To summarize, the steps we've gone over today are straightforward, yet incredibly powerful in enhancing your wireframe usability. By creating links, you're not just adding interactivity, but effectively communicating the flow of your design to stakeholders or team members. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore these features as you continue working on your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy wireframing!